Hi everyone, my name is Katherine Jones and I'm a biology professor at Cape Breton University, and I'm here on behalf of the Nova Scotia Invasive Species Council to say a few words of welcome to our virtual fall meeting and to talk a little bit about what our organization is and what our mandates are. So first of all, the reason why we decided to have a virtual meeting is largely due to the COVID-19 and the public health restrictions. However, I think it gives us a good opportunity to have some participants who may not have been able to attend if we'd had the meeting in a specific location in the province. So I'd like to welcome all of you, and especially to those of you who are new to our membership and new to our organization. So we started this group in 2007, and we were originally called the Invasive Species Alliance of Nova Scotia, or ISANS. And over the past few years, we decided to change the name of our organization to the Nova Scotia Invasive Species Council to be more in keeping with the other provincial chapters across Canada. And we recently became a recognized provincial chapter of the Canadian Council on Invasive Species. And that's given us an opportunity to network with other provincial chapters to find out about what's going on across the country and strategies for obtaining funding and things like that. So our vision is basically we're comprised of individuals and groups who are making coordinated and informed decisions to manage invasive alien species here in Nova Scotia. There are a number of things that we're striving to do, and perhaps you or your organization can play a more integral role in some of these objectives that we have. So the first thing would be to create a network of potential collaborators and interested parties working on invasive alien species to provide a forum for coordination of invasive species management, research, and public outreach activities. We also strive to figure out a way to improve mapping strategies to give us an idea of the lay of the land of invasive alien species in our province. And we hope to be able to share best practices of invasive species management. We may be able to initiate actions against invasive alien species to stop the spread or control or mitigate their current presence. We have a steering committee that's comprised of, currently we have 7 people on the steering committee, and we'd be interested in having other people come forward if you'd like to be involved in that. We meet once per month, and we develop, sort of priorities, not just for our organization, but we also have 3 working groups that are tackling specific objectives. The 3 working groups we have, first of all, we have one that focuses on reporting and mapping, so trying to figure out a way to centralize reporting invasive species, perhaps one for terrestrial species and one for aquatics. We have a second working group that focuses on communication, so things like social media presence, our website maintenance, and any education or outreach initiatives as well. And we also have one on research. So all of those working groups would be welcoming membership at this time. And the last thing I wanted to mention is that our steering committee was recently successful at acquiring funding through DFO, and it's in conjunction with other Atlantic provinces. So we are able to hire a coordinator in the very near future, and he or she will be responsible for running the Clean Drain Dry program and the Don't Let It Loose strategy. So hopefully we'll get to know more of you over the course of the virtual meeting, and please feel free to contact us prior to the meeting if you have questions about joining one of the working groups or perhaps even the steering committee. Thank you very much, and look forward to meeting you.